Does the number of shares increase if a company splits its face value? What happens to my share certificate? Will my shares increase or remain the same?
Let's consider an example where I have one lot of shares consisting of 10 shares with a face value of rupees 10. Thus, the total value indicated on one share certificate is rupees 100. Now, suppose the company decides to split its shares, reducing the face value, let's say to rupees 1. In this scenario, how many shares will I have? It's important to note that in the vast majority of cases, when a share splits, the face value decreases. For instance, if the face value was rupees 10 before the split, it may become rupees 5, rupees 2, or even rupees 1 after the split. Continuing with the example, if I initially had 10 shares with a face value of rupees 10 each, totaling rupees 100 on the share certificate, and the face value now becomes rupees 1, I will have 10 times the number of shares. Thus, instead of one share certificate, I will now have 10 shares, each with a face value of rupees 1. So, in summary, when a share splits, the number of shares typically increases, while the market value often remains relatively unchanged. Although the quantity of shares increases, the market value per share may vary. However, it's worth noting that if your share certificate is quite old and the company splits its shares, the value of your shares may increase significantly, possibly by 10 to 15 times, depending on various factors. Therefore, in response to your question, yes, the quantity of your shares will increase following a split, depending on the extent of the split. Thank you so much.